Hello, everybody. Today we are going to learn about types of plants. That is chapter number 3 of your science book.
We're going to study about two types of plants. Those are trees and shrubs. Those are trees and shrubs. So let's start with the first type of plant, that is
of plants. There are plants all around us. हमारे इर्द गिर्द हर तरफ पौधे होते हैं. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. पौधे मुख्तलिफ शक्लों के और मुख्तलिफ sizes के होते हैं. Some are big, others are small. कुछ बड़े होते हैं और कुछ छोटे होते हैं. Big plants, बड़े पौधे. Trees. Trees are big and strong. दरख्त बड़े और मजबूत होते हैं. They have a thick and hard main stem. इनका एक मोटा और सख्त तना होता है. It is called trunk, जिसे हम trunk कहते हैं. The trunk bears branches. Trunk की आगे से branches होती हैं यानी शाखें होती हैं. Some trees have many branches and are spread out. कुछ दरख्तों की बहुत ज़्यादा branches होती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा शाखें होती हैं और इन दरख्तों का बहुत ज़्यादा फैलाव होता है. ये बहुत फैले हुए दरख्त होते हैं. Some trees grow tall and straight. कुछ दरख्त सीधे और लंबे ग्रो करते हैं. इनका फैलाव नहीं होता. ये
what are trees? If the question is like this, so big and strong plants are called trees. They have strong woody stems called trunks. The trunk helps a tree stand straight. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of a tree. Now, the arrow is pointing towards the trunk. Children, the stem is not called as stem in case of trees, but it is called as trunk. Why it is called as trunk? Because it is strong and woody stems. So strong and woody stems are called as trunk. Let's see examples for trees. So this is a picture of an apple tree, and here is the picture of a mango tree. Let's see more example for trees. This is the picture of a banyan tree. Banyan tree is also the national tree of India. And this is the picture of coconut tree. Coconut tree is also called as Kalpavriksha. Now let's study the second type of plant, which is shrubs. What are shrubs? Short bushy plants with woody stems are known as shrubs. Shrubs have woody stems that rise up from the ground and branch out. So shrubs have woody stem again. They are short in height. They are bushy plants. Example for shrubs are rose plant, hibiscus plant. Let's see more example for shrubs. Lily plant, henna plant. So shrubs are shorter in height in comparison to trees, and we can grow them in a pot.
small plants, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. ये सब small plants हैं. Shrubs. Shrubs are small plants. Shrubs छोटे पौधे होते हैं. They do not have trunk. इनका trunk नहीं होता. जैसे दरख्त का एक मोटा बड़ा trunk होता है, इन पौधों का trunk नहीं होता. They have many thin but strong and woody stems. इनके बहुत पतले लेकिन मजबूत लकड़ी के तने होते हैं. With branches near the ground और इनकी शाखें जमीन के करीब होती हैं.
Thank you so much. I hope you all have understood about trees and shrubs.